Alright y'all, so today on the Jeep, since it's my one day off of the week, I'm going to get around to fixing that knocking shock. Ironrock sent me a bushing kit for the upper shock mounts. Hopefully it fixes it, we'll find out. They have great tech support. And I recommend their shocks if you're looking for a soft, smooth street ride. You have to have time to get them out in the dirt. But let me get to fixing this and we'll go from there. I'm going to rehash with the old video and then mesh to the new shock install and go from there. So when I first put my Ironrock kit in, we had a little bit of play in the shock bushing on the passenger side rear. Talking with the techs at Ironrock, they just said, hey, take out some of the inner sleeve, create a little more squish in the bushing. And we did that and it fixed it for a while. And then now you can see the shock wiggling, the bushing. So currently working with Ironrock on how to fix this. They wanted a video, so the only way I could get a video sent to them was to make a YouTube video and send them the link. Let's see, take a little more. So I'll keep you guys posted with the fix and what they end up helping me do. These guys are stand-up guys. This is not any issue with the suspension. Hiccups happen. It's a lifted life. Alright y'all, so here is a better idea what's going on with the shock. I know it's wiggling in my hand, but you guys can see the bushing. So we'll put that new bushing in and see if it fits tighter. And go from there. New bushing in. I don't know why my video stopped and I had to restart it, but I apologize for that. New bushing in is now tight. We took a little more meat off the sleeve. I got to press it a little further. So this looks like it will be a fix. Big shout out to Patrick at Offroad. So we'll get this up in there and we should be good to go. Hey guys, sorry to put this in between in the middle of the video, but when doing the bushing, it's a simple push it in or out with a press, hammer an appropriate size socket, get the old bushing out, and then slide the new bushing in and put the metal sleeve back inside the bushing, and then your shock will be complete. Y'all, so shock's back in, putting some leverage on it, and it's not moving any. So looks like that bushing fixed the problem. We should be squared up. If you guys have any issues with your Ironrock parts, feel free to give them a call. Their tech support is awesome.